What brings me back to SOPHE conferences each year is definitely the people.
Being part of SOPHE, you just know that you have a home.
SOPHE is home for me, and so when I get to the conference, it's just meeting up with my big, ginormous health education family.
I'm really fortunate to be a part of this amazing team and really ultimately making our communities healthier.
Our time in St. Louis at our 75th conference has been wonderful.
SOPHE 75!
It makes you feel that you've helped the next generation and you've contributed to the mission of the organization, more importantly, to make the world a better place.
SOPHE conferences are energizing for me. It's a chance to reignite the passion for public health education.
It's exciting, it's dynamic, it's thought-provoking, it's so many other things. My horizons just expand every time I come to a SOPHE meeting.
When people come, they see themselves having a place here.
SOPHE has a special place in my heart.
In SOPHE, there's a place for everyone.
Give it a chance. Come and see what it's all about.